Did you get that Zipple back under control?
We're working on it.
A toast to death in battle.
To your father. To Oswald.
Fine.
Child. Anyway, so...
On that cheery note, shall we sign the treaty and send you on your way?
Great idea. Let's sign that treaty. Bring us the dragon's blood.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Don't be ridiculous, Dagur. I mean, your father and I haven't signed a treaty in dragon's blood for years.
Why would that be a problem, Stoic? Unless, of course, you don't kill dragons anymore.
We still kill dragons.
The problem is...
You've reached your limit on talking. Shut up.
Except that one. The Zippleback! It's a sign! Head for each chief! Oh, it's gonna be amazing! Tonight, we dragon!
You need to find that Zippleback before he does.
That could work. According to the treaty, the dragon must be...
I went ahead on the right.
I'm putting a stop to this. If it means war, it means war.
Help! Dragon attack! What is going on?
Cover! Dragon attack!
Oh, dragon attack! Everyone out of here! We must protect our honored guests!
Run if you want, but Dagur the Deranged will not retreat! They do exist!
Heck, you! Fiend, you! You'll not harm my friend, Dagur? Please, Dagur, save yourself! You owe it to your people!
Berserkers, to the front!
What about the treaty?
Consider it signed!
Dagur se marchó desconsolado, dando por muerta a la valiente y heroica chica de la que estaba enamorado.
Hiccup, ever since I left Burke, I haven't been able to stop thinking about you.
Well, that's kind of strange. Well, I'm flattered.